Hello, this is Norma and welcome to my channel. I'm a YouTuber based in Virginia, USA, and I'm welcoming you into my kitchen. Today I am making some spring rolls. So let me show you what I'm going to use to make these spring rolls. Okay, first of all, this is the spring roll wrap that I'm going to use. You can use it for egg rolls, but you can use it for spring rolls also. So this is what I'm going to use. I got this at the grocery store. I think it was Harry Teeter. I think that's why I got it. But I'm sure a lot of them got it. So you need cabbage. You need carrots. I'm not going to cut all of that, so I just bought it. The green cabbage. I got red cabbage in here. And I also got carrots. If you want, you can just get the plain green and the carrots, but this is what I'm using. The quantities, I will have it on my channel in the description box. So I have some ginger. I'm going to peel it and grate it, and this is the side I'm going to use to grate it. I have some salt. I have some minced garlic. I'm going to use some oyster sauce. I'm going to use some dark soy sauce. And this is the dip that I'm going to eat it with. So let me grate this and I'll be right back. So I grated my fresh ginger right here. We're going to go to my stove. So each one of the packs that I'm using is 16 ounce. It's a pound. So I put my frying pan on the stove and I'm going to put a little bit of oil in there. Not much, because you don't want your wrap to soak up when you're ready to put it in the shell. You just want the fragrance to come out, and then we're going to put the cabbage and the carrots. And when you fry it, don't fry it more than 10 minutes, because you want it to have that crunch on it, but you also want it to cook. So between 5 to 10 minutes is good enough. And take it off the stove. Dump my cabbage in it. This is some huge pieces. Let me take them out and I will be back. I don't want it that huge. So I took all the big pieces out. Now I'm just going to stir it, and so it can just wither a little bit, not much. Like I say, you want it to cook down a little bit, but you still want it to be crunchy. Now I'm going to put some soy sauce. And some oyster sauce. Mix it well. Sprinkle a little bit of salt. Okay, now I'm going to cut it off. Within 6 minutes. Okay, I got some flour, just all-purpose flour that I showed you. And I'm going to put water and just mix it, because that's what I'm going to use to seal the dough. You want consistency like what glue looks like. Okay, I got a consistency that I want. Now let me open the pack of dough. So if you've been watching me for a while and you've seen the samosa one that I did, it's the same dough that I use, but I just, the same wrap that I use, but I just, that one I had to cut it, but this is being wrapped in a different way, so I'm going to leave it whole. If you haven't seen it, please go back a few videos back and you will see it. So this is how it is. See? Very thin. And on the back, there's recipes. So let me check on my cabbage and see if it's cool. Okay, let's start. It's so thin, this one, kind of like open up. I'm still going to use it. So do it like, you know, it's square. So put this part in front of you and put some of your filling in there. See where it broke, but I'm still going to use it. So I'm bringing this in. I'm bringing this in. And continue to roll it. Now when I come here, I'm going to put some of my wash that I did to seal it. And move it to my plate and go on to the next one. I've wrapped it all and it's time to fry. So the oil is hot and I'm going to start putting it in there. I'm going to double fry it. You want it to be brown, not beige. And you don't want it to burn, so you need to watch it. I have it on medium high. Once it starts to fry, it will start to float in the oil. Okay, it's starting to float. Let me just turn it around a little bit. Because like I told you, I'm going to double fry it. I'm going to take it out. And then put it back in to fry for the second time so it can look golden. And next time on my channel, I'm going to make a fish sauce. But if you make this, you can make that from scratch, and it goes good with the spring roll also. Okay, I'm putting it back for the second time. And when I take it out this time, I'm going to drain it to get the oil out. As you know, when you fry things, oil sits in it. So let that fry. When it's time for me to turn it around, I will do that. Okay, let me start turning it around. You trying to wash it, but you do not want it to burn. You just want that beautiful golden color. Okay, it's time to get it out. I'm going to fry all of them, and I'll be back. My delicious spring roll is all ready. I'm going to take my lettuce, wrap my spring roll in it, dip it in the sauce, and that's how I'm going to eat it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button so each time I upload you will be notified. Bye-bye.